Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Evanity Star coming to you with another video. And this morning I'll be taking you into the kitchen and I'll be showing you how to prepare oxtail Jamaican style. Come with me, guys. That I have prepared for my oxtail, and I made it easier by just putting them together so that I will not be going through preparing all the ingredients for the sake of the video and time. And this is my oxtail all cleaned up and washed, guys, and ready to be seasoned. And as I put the seasoning on the oxtail, I'll just show you. Here is my garlic. And I'm going to put my garlic on the oxtail. And this is my seasoning salt. And this is my garlic powder. I also have black pepper. And guys, I will list all the ingredients in the description. And this is my chopped up tomatoes. And here I have some bell pepper that I'm going to be adding. Look at that, guys, so beautiful already. And I'm going to be putting in my onions. And I'm also going to be adding some scallion to the dish. And look at that. I have scallion and thyme put together. And I'm going to be adding some browning so that I can give the oxtail some color. So this is the grease browning that I'm going to be using. You don't really have to use browning if you don't want to, but I choose to use the browning so that when I'm finished with it, it has some color. I'm going to be adding a pinch of salt. I'm going to rub all this seasoning in, and I'm going to leave it to soak for at least an hour, and then I'll come back and show you after. But before, I'll go ahead and rub the seasoning in so you can see, guys. Rub the seasoning into the oxtail. I like to use my onions and scallions and so I can see it. Some people use the seasoning from the bottle straight, but I don't like that. I just like to use my real seasoning. Somehow I just feel like I'm getting the right type of seasoning on my meat. Sometimes it can get a little messy, guys, but you just have to clean up around your area. So here you go, guys. My seasoning is all on it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cover this over and leave it to marinate for at least an hour. Putting this foil paper over it, and I'm gonna put it in the fridge. Yes guys, my meat is out of the fridge, all marinade. Look at it guys. So I'm gonna go ahead now guys, and I'm gonna put the oil in. And this is the oil, you know guys, that I use. I'm giving the pot some time to heat up, and I'm going to go ahead and brown my oxtail to give it that rich, nice color, guys. I have to shake the seasoning off the oxtail, so each oxtail that I take up, and the reason why I want to brown it too, because some of these oxtail have extra fat, so when I fry it, it will reduce the fat, cut down on the fat that is on the oxtail. You see what I do guys? So I will shake the seasoning off it. Make sure that all the oxtails are fried. Trying to also give the oxtail more color, so it don't come out looking all white. So what I'm gonna do now, guys, I'm just gonna put some water on it. I'm just gonna let this sit there for a while. Guys, after I fry it, I transfer it to this bigger and deeper pot so that I can cook it down for a while, guys, and make sure that the oxtail gets soft. So I just put some water in, and it has been boiling for some time, guys, so that's why it has that little color that you see here. Guys, so I'm gonna let it cook down some more. And here you see it's a little soft. Guys, look at that. The pot is so deep, my fork now can stick into the meat. So I'm gonna put it back in the original pot so you can see, because I have to be tipping with this pot, guys. Now, guys, there it is. I boiled it down and it's soft. My fork can actually go through it. There you go, guys. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to be adding the seasoning, and I'm going to come back and show you guys. I'm also going to add some butter beans to it. All right, and then that will be my final touch. So guys, if you have a pressure cooker, it will be best if you go ahead and pressure these after you fry it, because it took me about an hour and a half to really cook this the real way how I want it. I'm gonna go ahead now and add this seasoning to it. Then I'm going to be adding the butter beans. All right, guys. And what I'll do, I'll just turn the stove down low on this and let it just simmer down, because the butter bean needs to cook. And I'll come back and show you guys. Yes, guys, I'm still coming to the end of it, and this is what this delicious sumptuousness looks like. And it's still cooking down, guys. It's still bubbling away. Yes, guys, look at that. It's all nice. See, my fork went right through the meat. Look at that. Nice. My fork was. Look at that, guys. So easy. So easy. Just went right through it. So easy. The meat can practically fall off the bone. Look at that. Look at that, guys. See? So, what I'm gonna do now, guys, I'm gonna just cover this over and let it steam down just a little bit more. The butter bean is in it, still cooking. So I'm gonna let it steam down a little bit more, guys, and I'll come back to you with the final touch. My final product of my oxtail, And I have gone ahead and prepared some vegetables and rice and peas. So if you want to see my next video on how I prepared my rice and peas, you can check it out in my other video. So here is it, guys. So if you like my video, just like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to ring the notification bell. Bye, guys.